How's the weather in the US?
It is beautiful.
Oh, here is a little hot.
Right now, it is also a little hot in Delaware. I live in a small state on the East Coast called Delaware.
Okay.
Does your husband speak English?
A little.
How old do I look? How many years?
Me or you?
Me.
About 40, right?
How old?
About 40 or 45. No?
I'm not 40 years old, Zahra.
Oh, you are younger?
Yeah, I'm much younger. Don't I look young?
I don't know.
Look at me. Do I look young?
Oh, yes, you are young.
I look young, right?
Right. 40 men is young.
40 is old.
No, young.
How old is your husband?
My husband?
Yeah.
60.
MashaAllah. 60 years old?
Yes.
Is he
Yes.
old or young?
Middle age.
Good answer.
He is middle age.
He's middle-aged, right? Gotcha. I'm 34.
34? You are near to 40.
No, I'm far away from 40. It's 6 years. I'm not over 35. I'm closer to 30.
Do you know because you have beard, you look
Okay.
40.
Because of my beard?
Yes, you look 40. Excuse me. No. You are upset?
No, I want to be young.
Oh, it's broken.
I'm gonna fix it. I'm gonna be young. I'm gonna fix it right now. You think I'm joking? Watch me now.
Tomorrow.
I wanna be young. I wanna be young right now. I fixed it.